Welcome. In this video, we'll go through the simple steps on how to change your country on the LinkedIn app for PC with the latest update. Whether you've recently moved, are working internationally, or simply need your profile details updated, this quick guide will help you make the change in just a few minutes. First, open your LinkedIn app on your PC. Once it's loaded, look at the very top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture and the option labeled Me. Click on that to open the drop-down menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you into the main section where you can manage all your profile preferences. On the left-hand side, choose Account Preferences. This is the section you'll be working in to adjust your personal details. Next, under Profile Information, you'll find an option called Name, Location, and Industry. Click on that. This area controls what information shows up on your profile and how others see you across the LinkedIn network. Now, scroll down until you reach the Location section. Here's where you can update your country information. Click on the field and select your new country from the list provided. It's important to choose the correct one because LinkedIn tailors your professional visibility and opportunities based on this information. After selecting your country, don't forget the most important step. Click Save. Without saving, your new location won't be applied to your profile, so make sure you finalize the change. Once you do, LinkedIn will immediately update your information, and your profile will now reflect your new country. That's it. You've successfully updated your country on LinkedIn using the app for PC. It's a quick process, but it makes a real difference for networking opportunities, job searches, or connecting with professionals in your region. Keeping your location accurate ensures that recruiters, colleagues, and industry peers can reach you in the right market. If you found this walkthrough helpful, take a moment to update your LinkedIn details today and make sure your profile always represents where you are and the opportunities you're looking for.